Hi, I'm Nate with Flirk, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Skip 1S Universal Remote and the Skip app, which you can see right here. A simple but powerful app that will set up your Skip 1S in just a few seconds. The Skip 1S is designed around activities. For example, one activity, Activity A, could be controlling the TV setup in your bedroom, which is exactly how I have it working here. However, I don't have activity B or C working, which you can see if you just hit C and then the red light pops up. But I'd like to set up the media center in my living room on activity B. So I click Add Activity here. Then, because I stream and watch TV at the same time with the same devices, I can pick either watch TV or streaming. But today, I'm going to pick watch TV. Then I need to add my devices. First, I'll add my TV, which is a Vizio. And as you can see, just select all models to control any Vizio TV. Then I need to select my soundbar, which again is a Vizio. This time, you might notice that the models are different because instead of picking a TV model, we're picking a Vizio audio device. And I need to grab the SB or soundbar series from here. So I'll click that and continue. And finally now, I do have the option of adding a Fire TV to the mix, but I'm not going to because my TV and the Fire TV both support HDMI CEC, which means I can control the Fire TV with my TV remote control buttons. So instead, I'll just click continue. And now I have to answer some questions. What do you use to navigate? Like we said, the TV remote. Which device controls your media? Again, the TV. And which device controls your audio? The soundbar. Click continue, and one more time, and that's it. For most users, you're all set up, and the only thing left to do is to sync the Skip app with the Skip 1S remote. To do that, make sure to plug the remote into the USB-C cable. In the app, you'll see that the remote is connected, and you can click sync. Congrats, all done. Now, if you're a power user, or you just like to make sure every single button is fine-tuned to your usage, the Skip app has you covered with drag and drop functionality. For example, in my Watch TV activity, I only use the Fire TV, so I don't need to switch inputs. But if you like to dot every I and cross every T, no problem. First, click the arrow to open the Watch TV activity. Now you can see a list of all the buttons on the Vizio TV in alphabetical order. You can also flip to a list of buttons on the Vizio soundbar if you want by clicking this icon right here, but we don't need to do that. Instead, we'll click the Vizio TV icon, scroll down to Inputs, and you can see Input HDMI 1 right there. And that's where our Fire TV is plugged in. So I can grab that button, hover over the power button, and a list of everything that power button will do shows up. Right now, if I were to click the power button, it's only set to power up my TV. But if I drop the HDMI input button into that list, then I'll do both of those things. Simple. And now once you finish customizing your remote, you can go ahead and click sync, and you're all set. So that's the Skip app and setting up the Skip 1S. You can breeze through the wizard and be ready in moments, or you can spend as much time as you want customizing every single button. The power's in your hands. But we aren't done yet. We have plans for making the Skip app even better, and we'd love your feedback too. What would you like to see in the Skip app or the Skip 1S? Let us know in the comments below or visit the forum and start a chat. We're excited to hear from you. And if you want to see more videos about the upcoming Skip 1S or other Flirk products and news, be sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell.